Ever wondered what a data engineer does? Today we are diving deep into this intriguing profession. In the age of information, data is the new oil. It drives decisions, fuels progress, and shapes the world around us. But have you ever wondered what happens to all this data? How is it made useful? That's where the role of a data engineer comes into play. Data engineering, in essence, is the aspect of data science that focuses on practical applications and systems to prepare and present data. It's a field that's relevant in virtually every industry today, from healthcare to finance, from retail to technology. It's the data engineers who build the bridges that allow data to flow and become the driving force of our modern world. So if you are ready to decode the world of a data engineer, stay tuned. Imagine being the architect of a digital world. That's what a data engineer does. Data engineers are the wizards who design, construct, and maintain the vast digital architecture that stores, manages, and processes a company's data. They are the unsung heroes who ensure that the data highways are smooth, efficient, and ready to deliver insights at the speed of light. They start by understanding the company's data needs. They delve into the specifics, dissecting the type of data the company deals with, how frequently it changes, and how it needs to be utilized. This understanding forms the blueprint of the data architecture they design. Once the blueprint is ready, they roll up their sleeves and start building. They construct databases, data lakes, and data warehouses, ensuring they are sturdy enough to handle the massive data flows. They use a range of tools from SQL to Python, creating the pipelines that allow data to flow seamlessly from its source to its destination. But their job doesn't end there. They constantly monitor and manage these systems, troubleshooting any issues that crop up. They fine-tune the system, ensuring it is always running at peak efficiency. And when necessary, they overhaul and upgrade it, keeping in step with the ever-evolving world of technology. Yet they are not just builders, they are also guardians. They implement stringent security measures to protect the company's data, ensuring it is safe from cyber threats. They also ensure the data is clean, accurate, and reliable so that the insights drawn from it are valid and useful. Data engineers also liaise with other teams like data scientists and analysts. They ensure the data is readily accessible and in a format that these teams can easily use. They work behind the scenes, but their efforts enable the company to leverage its data, driving strategic decisions and propelling the business forward. In essence, data engineers are the builders of the data world. By constructing the digital infrastructure, they pave the way for the company to harness the power of its data, transforming it into actionable insights that can shape the future of the business. So, what does it take to become a data engineer? Well, let's start with the skills. A strong foundation in programming is crucial. Languages like Python and Java are often used in this field. Python, for example, is highly prized for its simplicity and versatility, especially when dealing with data analysis. Java, on the other hand, is a staple in large-scale data processing. But knowing how to code is just the tip of the iceberg. You'll also need a solid understanding of data warehousing. This involves the design and implementation of databases, not to mention the ability to extract, transform, and load data, often referred to as ETL processes. And let's not forget about machine learning. It's becoming increasingly important in the world of data engineering. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions based on massive amounts of data. So, a familiarity with these algorithms and how to apply them can really set you apart from the crowd. Now, onto the tools. Hadoop is a big name in big data. It's an open-source software framework that allows for the distributed processing of large data sets across clusters of computers. It's designed to scale up from a single server to thousands of machines, each offering local computation and storage. Then there's Spark, known for its lightning-fast analytics. It's a unified analytics engine for large-scale data processing. It provides an interface for programming entire clusters with implicit data parallelism and fault tolerance. And of course, SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the go-to for managing and manipulating relational databases. It's a standard tool in a data engineer's belt, allowing you to query, insert, update, and modify data. But remember, while this list of skills and tools is extensive, it's by no means exhaustive. The field of data engineering is constantly evolving, and staying up to date is an ongoing task. Mastering these skills and tools is the key to unlocking a career in data engineering. Companies have high expectations from data engineers, but what exactly are they looking for? In today's data-driven world, companies are increasingly depending on data engineers to turn raw data into meaningful insights. These insights not only help businesses understand their performance, but also enable them to make informed decisions. So it's no surprise that data engineers are in high demand and have a significant role to play in the success of a business. Companies expect their data engineers to possess a unique blend of technical skills and business acumen. They're anticipated to have a strong understanding of data structures, databases, and algorithms. Additionally, they should be proficient in programming languages such as Python or Java, and have a good grasp of machine learning concepts. However, technical proficiency alone doesn't suffice. Data engineers need to understand the business context of their work. They need to know how their data models and analyses will impact the company's bottom line. They should be able to translate complex data into simple, actionable insights that can be used by decision makers in the company. Companies also seek data engineers who are problem solvers. Every day they face a new set of challenges that range from cleaning and organizing massive amounts of data to ensuring data privacy and security. They need to figure out efficient ways to store, process, and analyze data. They are expected to be innovative and come up with solutions that can help the company gain a competitive edge. Teamwork is another key expectation. Data engineers work closely with data scientists, analysts, and other stakeholders. They need to communicate effectively, understand the needs of others, and be able to translate those needs into technical requirements. Lastly, data engineers are expected to stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in the field of data engineering. They should be willing to learn new tools and technologies and apply them to their work. So, a data engineer is expected to be a problem solver, a team player, and a data wizard. Now, the question that's on everyone's mind, what's the pay like? Well, let's dive right in. The average salary of a data engineer varies significantly depending on factors such as location, experience, and the specific demands of the role. Beginning with the United States, data engineers can expect to earn a handsome salary. On average, a data engineer in the US earns around $130,000 annually. However, this figure can climb up to a staggering $150,000 or even more for those with advanced skills and extensive experience. But it's not just about the years under your belt or the skills in your toolkit. Location plays a crucial role too. For instance, data engineers in tech hub cities like San Francisco or New York often command higher salaries due to the high cost of living and the concentration of tech companies in these areas. Now, let's turn our attention to India. The story here is quite different but equally promising. On average, a data engineer in India earns around 9 lakh rupees annually. However, with more experience and proficiency, this can rise to over 15 lakh rupees. Just like in the US, location is a significant factor in India too. Cities like Bangalore, known as the Silicon Valley of India, or Gurgaon, the burgeoning tech hub, typically offer higher salaries compared to other regions. It's important to remember that these figures are averages and actual salaries can vary. Factors like the size and sector of the company, the complexity of the projects, and the specific responsibilities of the role can all influence a data engineer's salary. In conclusion, being a data engineer can be quite rewarding, not just intellectually, but also financially. The demand for data engineers is only set to increase in the future, making it a viable and promising career choice. So, a career in data engineering can be both fulfilling and lucrative. Data engineering is a fascinating field that combines technical skills with strategic thinking. It's a role that demands a deep understanding of data systems, the ability to build and maintain large-scale data structures, and the foresight to anticipate the needs of businesses in an ever-evolving digital landscape. A data engineer needs a toolkit that includes proficiency in SQL, knowledge of cloud platforms, and an understanding of big data technologies. They must be capable of translating complex data into actionable insights. The expectations are high, but so is the reward. In the United States, the average salary for a data engineer can be 6 figures, and in India, it's a lucrative career choice that's well above the average income. So if you're intrigued by the world of data, if you're excited by the prospect of turning raw information into meaningful strategies, then this is a path worth considering. If you have the passion for data and the drive to learn, the world of data engineering awaits you.